for God the Son to lower himself to come on earth in the form of flesh and blood just to die and save mankind was and is still a mystery to the host of angels. Apostle Peter tells of how angels are eager to look into this gospel. They have a keen interest in man's salvation through Christ, not out of jealousy, but out of amazement. They are amazed that the Word had to leave heaven for 33 years to visit men. There was no Word in heaven. The place was in total silence for this number of years. They look at men and wonder why God is so mindful of us. This makes them laugh and honor us the more. Thoughts of how God loves us makes them see a speciality in man.